Richard and I are fortunate enough to have bumped into some old friends.
Hi!
Hiya. And this is the owner. This is Jason. Tell us about it. When did you open?
I opened in 2010 August. This August will be 8 years.
Yeah.
And this property used to belong to Carol Waterman's great grandfather.
Oh right, Carol Vorderman's. Yeah.
Great grandfather.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
About 160 years.
Wow.
Please feel free to go in and have a look.
Thank you, Jason. All right, we'll have a look round. And this is the inside. And that's the bar area. And
Oh, so that's all?
all right, thanks.
You into the back yet? Oh, we've had a look at the back.
So
we know Jason from old, you see. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, we know him well.
all right, Sunbeam. All right.
Bodford Street in Rhyl.
My son.
Yeah. Well, you'd have been a top then.
You'd have only been a little chappy then, yeah. But, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
How do you know you just went to the restaurant there, did you? Or?
We used to go to the restaurant here with the family, like, you know,
Yeah.
we knew him quite well.
Oh, that's good. No, that's nice to see you back there.
We knew he could get back, but we didn't know where.
Now you do.
Now we do.
Yeah.
You'll see us again, don't worry.
Hopefully. You take some videos.
Yeah, well, we're absolutely delighted because we've found some old friends and we've found where his new restaurant is, or rather his restaurant since 2010.
Yes.
And we couldn't be more delighted. So we'll no doubt be frequent visitors to this lovely little restaurant. As you might have worked out from the decor, we're actually sat down ready to eat our meal. And that is the salt and pepper squid. And Richard is, for starter, he's having chicken and sweet corn soup. Excellent. I'm going to enjoy that. That is the face of satisfaction, because that was a delicious starter. The salt and pepper squid here has always been amazing, or rather their salt and pepper squid has always been amazing, and it's every bit as good as I remember it. Lovely. So I've got some steamed rice, and this is prawns or shrimp in sea spice sauce. This is Cantonese roast duck, and this is the beef, the fillet steak in black bean sauce. Wonderful. And I've got some Chinese tea, which she saw me pour. So we're just waiting for Richard's rice. And Richard's refreshment of the night is Tsingtao beer.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you. Right, lock and load.
Okay.
Richard will now devour his strawberries and cream ice cream. Attack. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.